Okay, so now we're going to add the base with the 8 O's to each side of the triangle beads. So I have my little centerpiece here, my little focal area in the middle, and I'm just going to tie a very loose knot. So I'm going to anchor my thread to the warp, and I'm not going to do it really tight, and I'm just going to do it once, okay? Because I think I know that I'm going to do 9 rows on each side to make 2.75 inches. In fact, let's bring this in. So we're going to do the same thing, you know, where we measured our finger. Let's see what, well, this is the one I normally do. So a non-puffy jewel ring is, yeah, it's just a little under 2.75 there. Okay. And when I did my first prototype, I actually ended up doing 10 rows on each side. But as I bring this in, you can see that I only did the fire polish. I didn't separate them. So this time I was thinking, oh, I want to give it a little pop. So I'm pretty sure taking away 2 rows, so 9 this way and 9 this way is what I'm going to do. Okay, so with that said, I'm going to take the needle and thread. I'm going to come under the warps. So we're just going back to our traditional weaving that we've done in the past. So I'm going to pick up 4 8 O's. And I'm going to let those fall. And we're going to pop them under the warps. Now, this again is a little wonky because we've only got the 2 warps, right? So you got all these beads just kind of hanging. So what I do is I come in and sandwich them with my pointer and my thumb just to give them a little extra support so that they don't fall. Okay. And all of this will line up, so don't be too worried about how things are moving. It just is what it is. Come back under the warps and let's pick up another 4. Okay, support it with my pointer. Take the needle, I'm going back through the beads. And again, I'm just going to support that row with my pinchers. Okay, awesome. Get everybody lined up here again. Oh, it's so much fun. Okay, so we're just going to do 9 rows. And yes, Marlon Brando has joined us, so he's in the background snoring. And again, you just want to make sure, you know, that you're pulling tight enough so that there's no excess thread. I'm going to bring that down a little bit. And so after the first couple of rows, you know, they all kind of, it gets a little more tight and put together, so it's a little bit easier to keep them in place. But still, you know, don't go fast and furious. Still kind of, you know, be conscious of what you're doing and make sure you're getting through all the beads. See how they want to move. So yeah, just kind of help them. Okay, so we got 4 more rows. I've got us a little bit on close up, so you're getting my gnarly fingernails. Sorry, but I'm a real worker. I love pretty nails. I used to do, you know, the fancy stuff, but I might do that again. But for right now, they are what they are. They're beater fingernails. But hey, it's not about the fingernails, it's about the project. This is the part where everybody always gets quiet in class because they're concentrating. So see, like you see, I'm trying to get too fast. You gotta like, because there's, you know, there's only those 2 warps, right? So they can kind of get a little dancy. All right, what do I have? 1, 2, 3. Do I have 7? 1, 2, 3. Wow, that went quick. Okay, so 2 more rows. Okay, so that's 8. And then this should be my last row. So let's see where we're at here. Okay, so can you see why I only did that one little loose knot right here? Because I'm wanting to be able to slide my ring so I can see, you know, I want to center it so that I have enough space over here to tie. Okay, let's bring in the tape measure. Let's see if I did this right. So right now I've got 1.5 and I need 2.75. So if I do 9 rows over here, that'll be perfect because that's 1 inch. And then let's go add 1 inch over here. Awesome. And then this is like a little more than 1/2. So yeah, cool. Okay, so I am going to break right here just because I want these to be smaller amounts of video time. That way you can get through them. They upload quicker. And yeah, we'll come back and we'll do the next 9 rows. See you back here.